welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix for you. Stitch Fix is an online styling service. It's not necessarily a subscription. Order a box when you want one or set it up to be recurring. Right now I asked for every 2 to 3 weeks to get a fix. I figured why not? I have the Style Pass. I'll probably bump that up to monthly in the near future because I recently learned that my company is not reopening office space quite significantly. We are reducing our office space by 75% permanently. So I am only going to be in the office when this pandemic is over. At most twice a week. I would say probably once a week or maybe even once every other week, even more likely. So that's where I stand now. There's really not much. I just have a few things. If you haven't seen, I'll link it up above, my closet, exploration demonstration to show you what's in my closet. There's just a few things that I could think I can use. Otherwise, it gets to be too much out of control, and the items that I need are, maybe a sweater that's kind of bright and cheerful. A sweater dress might be nice, so if I have a place to go in the winter and I need to wear a dress, something a little bit warmer for winter clothes. I could use some sweatshirts like I'm wearing today, and excuse my appearance, but I'm not going anywhere, so this is what I'm wearing. Just a sweatshirt and some joggers, and I could use some more joggers, sweat jackets, and then maybe a few casual knit tops to wear jeans. I really, at this point, don't need anything, and it's like, unless it's something that I absolutely love, I'm probably not going to keep. So if you saw my last Stitch Fix, you kind of know I kind of had a bummer of a box. It wasn't, the quality wasn't there, and it was just rather boring stuff on top of it, and it also didn't fit very well. So my stylist was the same. It's Jaden. She was thrilled to actually, even though I didn't get a good fix last time, was thrilled that I requested her again. So she was happy, and I was pretty vague this time, and I told her that I'm going to be 52, and I want young and stylish things that will make me feel like I'm 30. And the last box was anything but that. It felt frumpity-dumpity in what she had sent. So I did peek, because I'm a peeker, and my box arrived last night, so it was too dark to film. So I opened it up last night, took a peek, and I have to say, everything in this box is my style. Like, she definitely nailed my style. I didn't ask for any specifics this time, but the types of items she sent were, yes, I would absolutely wear that. The question is, do I need to add these things to my wardrobe? And looking at what I got, I'll most likely say no, and I haven't tried anything on yet, and there might be one thing that I'm possibly thinking about keeping. Again, haven't tried anything on yet to see how it fits. But I'm gonna go through with you everything that I got. Okay, so first up are the 9 West Bryson Novelty Bootie in brown for $139, okay? They are adorable. They're 9 West, totally up my style. Snake print in brown, okay? Look at that heel, totally me. Nice pointy toe, totally me. Cute little booty, love it. It's totally me, like it. I'd be all over these if I didn't already have a pair of leopard, okay? A pair of brown, a darker colored pair of brown, and then you're gonna say, but Carolyn, those aren't snake print, those are snake print. Well, I have black and white snake print, all right? So between all these different options, black and white snake print, brown and black leopard, do I really need brown and black snake too? No. Are they adorable? Yes. Are they my style? Yes. If I didn't already have these, I'd probably be all over it. Now, I'm gonna let you know, I always do a comparison shop on name brands that I realize and know. And I did a search, and the same exact pair of booties as of Friday, and today is Sunday, so I'm not sure if they're on sale, or on sale at Macy's. Exact pair, just Google them. Bryson Novelty Bootie, they were on sale for, I believe, $83.99. So if you're interested in these booties, and you don't want to wait for your stylist, they're actually cheaper, or at least were on Friday at Macy's. All right, I will be sending these back. I will let my stylist know that they're up my style. but definitely up my alley, but it's just not something I need right now. And I'm not gonna try them on because I wanna keep them nice for the next person. Okay, up next is this Michael Stars top. It's the Jinny cowl neck tunic knit top. Now, I do need tunics, okay? There's no question about it. I have no issues with a cowl neck. I love a cowl neck. This is a very thick knit top. I would not say it's brushed knit. It does not feel like brushed knit. It just feels like a regular knit. And it has the little thumb holes, okay? It has a huge cowl neck, like that it's tunic length. What I don't like about it, and it's in the color brown, it's in a size extra small. What I don't like about it is the price. It's $128, and $100 really is like the max that I'm willing to spend on any top or bottom, you know? I will spend more on shoes, jackets, purses. I could go up to $150 on those. But for a top, even $100 is pushing it for me. I gotta really love it for $100. So it is cute. I will try it on. The only place I would wear this top is, if you remember, I was looking for a match for these leggings, and I don't know about these two going together, but I will give them a try, and you can give me your opinions, and you can let me know if this is looking like it's $128 worth on me, which I don't think it will be. So that's the Michael Stars Jinny knit tunic top in brown, size extra small, for $128. Next she sent me is my kryptonite, which is Daniel Rainn. This is the Darcie sheer sleeve blouse in indigo, size extra small. All right, it's paisley. I like paisley. No issues with paisley. It's kind of paisley and scroll. Well, actually, it's a paisley within a paisley, I would say. And I would say it's like a lighter dusty pink and a burgundy and like a slate blue and then a lighter slate blue. So if you could see that print, okay? What's really cute about it, it has the elasticized sleeves, and look, there's a scalloped edge, and I thought that was so cute. And it has the little buttons down the front, you know, just as pretty much decor. Well, they are working buttons. I don't know why you would open them up though, all right? Totally up my alley, totally cute. One thing I wanted to note that kind of threw me off, I guess it doesn't bother me so much, but it does have metallic thread. I don't know if you can actually see it, and the camera's picking it up, but it's a gold metallic thread, very ever so fine and thin going down it. Honestly, I like it a lot. I don't think I need to have this, okay? And this is $68, which is about par for a Daniel Rainn top. And this one is long sleeve, and most of the short sleeves are $68. So I don't think it's bad for a long sleeve. It is lined in the front and in the back, but the sleeves are sheer. But even still with the lining, or actually the back is not lined. Sorry, take that back. I thought it was, well, I guess it is lined. It is lined, but it's still so sheer that you would need to wear something underneath. So I will make sure I put on something underneath. I do have some paisley tops. I even have like a light blue paisley top. I have a burgundy paisley top. I like this. This is definitely up my alley. It's just not something that's saying, oh my God, Carolyn, you have to have it. Okay. Next up is the Liverpool Bradford Moto jacket in dark purple. Now, what really surprised me, because I have another Liverpool jacket, which I'll show you in a minute. It is dark, dark purple, like an eggplant. It's actually coming across more purpley on camera than it is in person. I guess it depends on the way the light shines on it. This is very thick and heavy. I was surprised about that, because I have another Moto jacket by Liverpool, and it's soft and stretchy. This is stretchy, don't get me wrong, but this is a much heavier material than the one I have. And I don't think I would be particularly comfortable wearing this indoors. That's how heavy it is. To me, this is more of an outdoor piece. You know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you're like, oh my gosh, I wear mine indoors all the time. But this to me feels pretty substantial and heavy. I mean, it's beautiful and it's nice. Question is, do I need it when I have this burgundy one? Which, yes, it's a different color, okay? And I also have this black one, okay? And this is a Liverpool, all right? The other one was just a blank NYC. So do I really need a dark purple, okay? Now, my stylist noted that she picked this out because she thought it would look good with this, okay? Which I totally agree. It does look nice with that. But actually, when I hold this up to it, the one I have existing, it actually goes better. The flowers in there are a burgundy color. So if I were to wear this and I have these two jackets, I would choose the burgundy one over the plum or dark purple one. So between it being this color, I mean, I'm sure I could find things to wear with it, but I also would be able to find things to wear with the black and the burgundy. So I just don't think I need this. And believe it or not, when I got this box, because I was just talking to Kayla's on the hunt for this, and we were talking she should hold out and wait till her stylist sends her this particular Moto jacket or this color in another name brand. She's looking for a dark purple. But I just don't think I need this in my life right now, you know? I mean, I like it, don't get me wrong. I just don't think I can justify it. And my heart doesn't pitter-patter like going, oh my gosh, I need this. Okay, the last one, and that was $98, okay? That was the Bradford Moto denim jacket, Liverpool, dark purple, extra small, $98. The last item that I have, okay, is this, and this looked totally different from online, is the Kylie button-down detail top, okay, in brown. And when I saw this online, it looked more like a stiff button-down, and this is actually quite soft. I'm going to venture to guess this is rayon. Let me see if I can find what it is made out of for you. Yes, 100% rayon, made in Vietnam, okay? I thought it was a stiff button-down, but it is not. It is soft. And it has just a partial button down, which hopefully won't gape. It does have the cuffs here, which I usually don't mind roll tab sleeves. I don't particularly like these because there's no print on the other side, but I could always unroll them and see how they look. I already have a leopard print blouse, and I'm not a huge fan of leopard print, but I think one, this is not a blouse, right? This is. And two, this is not a tunic. This is just a blouse. I believe, if I have to try it on, I believe, looking at this is tunic length. It seems to me tunic length. It might be completely wrong when I try it on. And if it's tunic length and it looks nice and it goes with these leggings, I might just keep it, okay? And I'll have to look, and this is Cosmic Blue Love, the Kylie button-down detail top in brown, size extra small, $68. Okay, well, let me know what you think, and if you think I'm being too harsh with this fix. Everything I like, everything I'd absolutely wear. She nailed my style. Everything here is something that is of interest to me, but just nothing that's saying, oh my gosh, you must have it. All right, give me a few minutes, and I'll do a try-on. Okay, up first is the Cosmic Blue Love, and I believe it's a leopard top. I left one roll tab up, left the other one down. I don't mind roll tab, I actually like them, but in this case I don't like how it's a different color on this. I think it kind of looks weird, so I think I would leave it down. It is a tunic top. It completely covers my butt and my crotch. I'm not so sure I'm sold on them wearing with these leggings. You let me know. But I do have a couple pair of black Spanx that this would go with. And like I said, I've been looking for tunic tops and haven't been able to find many. So let me know your thoughts on this and what you think. It's not typically my style. Like, I don't usually go for the button down and the collar look. But this is like a different button down that only goes partly. I did have to button it to get it over my head, but not too bad, just like the top button. So let me know what you think, all right? And like I said, I would probably pair this with the black leggings. And like I said, I can't find any tunic tops these days. And I think this one fits pretty well. So let me know your thoughts. All right, give me a minute, next top. Next up is the Michael Stars tunic top. And I'm actually relieved I don't like this. This is super soft, really high quality with the thumb holes. A very substantial cowl neck. I mean, it's huge, like almost like a scarf going around you. So far, all that part I like. I don't like the width of it. I kind of feel like the flying nun here. It's just too much fabric for me, for my taste. It almost seems like I'm overweight and I'm trying to hide something. I don't need form fitting, but I do need something that gives my body a shape, not this big triangle. So, you know, here it is in front and in back. So good concept, just not me. It's just too wide, and I don't like what I would call triangle tops. And this is exactly what I say when I dislike triangle tops. I dislike triangle tops. This is a top that is shaped like a triangle. Okay, so this is a no. I'm relieved because it's $128. But beautiful quality. Can't say a bad thing about the quality. If this is your style, go for it. Last up, I have the jacket paired with the blouse, as she suggested. This is the Bradford Moto jacket by Liverpool in dark purple, size extra small. I will show it to you zipped. It's not as heavy and stiff on as I thought it was when it was off, okay? I'm not a fan of zipping my Moto jackets, and this one, even though it has a ton of stretch, it is a little snug when zipped. I don't think it's pulling, and it's not uncomfortable, it's just snug. I would not size up in this size because I think then it would begin to look sloppy, and I actually never wear my Moto jacket zipped. I just a personal preference. I like the look it gives me unzipped. So I do think it's the right size. It fits. It's not too long in the arms. Like it, nothing wrong with it. All right, now for the blouse, I paired it with a pair of like a similar color pair of pants that I actually already got from another Stitch Fix like months ago. They're Daniel Rainn. And I had a hard time with shoes because I don't really have anything that I thought, I think in my opinion the top and the pants and the jacket all go. The boots, not too thrilled with this outfit, but I didn't really have much better. So I will stand back so you can see, or maybe not, my boots. All right, they're light gray. And I think they kind of stick out too much. I'll pan down so you can see them. They stick out way too much in this outfit. I didn't think I would like black either, and I don't know, I'm kind of limited as to what booties would you wear with this outfit? And I would have to wear booties in this season. It's just too cold for my feet otherwise. So I'm not happy with the booty selection, but I don't really, other than black, I mean, it's not gonna go with brown, and I don't really have a dark charcoal gray. So you let me know your thoughts on what you would wear with this, or do I need to put dark charcoal gray booties on my list? That might be a possibility. Okay, let me pan you up. I really like the blouse, and I do think it makes a lovely outfit if I had somewhere to wear it. And I like the blouse, and I like the jacket, and I love the booty she sends. The thing I like the least out of the fix is probably the leopard top, but that's the thing I probably could use the most. I don't necessarily think it went great with those leggings. I think it would probably go better with a pair of black, and I got plenty of those. Let me know what your thoughts. Let me know what you would do with this fix. Again, I like everything. This is definitely something I would wear. I'm just not so sure I need it and want it enough that I should spend my money on it right now. Like I said, if times were different and I was going to the office, it would be a different story and I'd be all over this. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't liked or subscribed yet, why not? It's free to you. Give it a thumbs up while you're at it and click that notification bell. Until next time, take care.